ఇవాళ మన ముందున్నారు ఇరుముడిలో ఒక సూపర్ డూపర్ డెబ్యూ సాంగ్ పాడి సాదికా కేఆర్ గారు.
అమ్మతో దాపరికం నాన్నతో రాచరికం మా ఇంటి ప్రేమరికం చూడాలి లోకం యాలలో యాలలో ఎన్నిట్లో ఎన్ని ముచ్చటలో.
Now the song is a super duper hit. Now what are you feeling? What is your emotion right now?
I'm really celebrating.
Remuneration. They give one remuneration, and then if the song is successful, then they'll give more, is what people usually assume.
The fame matters.
If you have to sing one more Telugu song for us that you have to dedicate to your fans in Telugu audience.
ఇంకేం కావాలే చాలే ఇది చాలే నీకే నువ్వే వచ్చి వాళ్ళవే ఇకపై తిరణాలే ఇంకేం కావాలే చాలే. Thank you so much, and it was very good. Okay, you were very so charming.
Thank you, ma'am. I want my cameramen to just on loop play this. This is to editors. హలో ఎవ్రీవన్, నేను మీ యాంకర్ అమల. వెల్కమ్ టు ఏవా మీడియా. ఇవాళ మన ముందున్నారు ఇరుముడిలో ఒక సూపర్ డూపర్ డెబ్యూ సాంగ్ పాడి సాదికా కేఆర్ గారు. హలో మ్యామ్.
Hello.
First of all, I know you're a Malayali, so I've practiced one Malayalam line for you. So correct me if any errors, okay?
Yes.
നിങ്ങളോട് പാട്ട് എത്ര മനോഹരമാണോ അതുപോലെ നിങ്ങളും വളരെ സുന്ദരിയാണോ. Is that right?
Correct.
Thank you ma'am, thank you so much. So what did I say? ఆవిడ చూడడానికి ఎంత బాగున్నారో ఆవిడ పాట కూడా అంతే అద్భుతంగా ఉందని చెప్పాను. I think I can host events in Malayalam also very shortly. Okay, too early to say that, but ma'am, your song is a super duper hit. Yeah. Everyone is listening మొత్తం loop లో. Anyone Spotify playlist, you know, Jio Savan, anyone's playlist, this song is on loop.
Yeah.
2 lines for us before we start interview.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. యాలలో ఎన్నిట్లో ఎన్ని ముచ్చటాలు యాలలో లోగిట్లో ఎన్ని లోగుట్టులో అమ్మతో దాపరికం నాన్నతో రాచరికం మా ఇంటి ప్రేమరికం చూడాలి లోకం కొండతో చుట్టరికం కోనతో ఇల్లరికం లేదు ఏ పేదరికం మాతోనే మాలోకం యలయాలో ఏముంది వేడల్లో యాలో ఏముంది కాసు యాలో ప్రేముంది గుండెల్లో మడిచేలో చిందిటి కలలు వాలో ఉంటాయి నోరెళ్ళు కోలో ఇంకేమి కావాలో.
Fantastic. Oh my God, I was mind blown away the way you were singing. ఎంత బాగా పాడుతున్నారంటే pronunciation was so clear, your tone, your pitch, like super. Well sung ma'am. You know, obviously we are lucky that you sang this song for us. Meeru kakunda, we cannot imagine any other singer singing this song right now. It was that beautiful.
Thank you so much.
So what is it working with GV Prakash sir like?
You know, first of all, I have to thank him. He only, my debut Tamil was also for him only.
Okay.
G. Prakash, and see, my debut Telugu also for him only. So I don't know how can I thank him, how much I have to thank him, because literally he's like for Tamil and for Telugu double dhamaka for me, because
and all super hits.
yes, and I'm very happy working for him, and I don't know how much thanks to say to him. Okay, he's the one who is actually finalizing the singers, and actually my friend, my Harshan Satya, he's one of my friend, and
okay.
You know him maybe.
Yeah.
He's the one who sang Ayyappa.
Correct.
Yeah, it is
True.
very viral now.
Viral song, true.
So he's the one who introduced me to GV sir.
Okay.
And he's a very good friend of mine, and also a constant support.
Mm-hmm.
So they are he's also from Kerala.
Okay.
So he's programmer of GV Prakash sir.
Okay.
So he's the one who introduced me. So I'll thank him also at this time. And also one more, I have to say one more name, Sanjay. He's a music coordinator.
Okay,
He always
yeah.
calls me. So these people are mainly Ashwin Satya is the one who introduced me to GV, and also working with GV sir is like something else. And I really love his songs. And
Okay. Obviously,
Yeah,
he's a
obviously,
super
yeah.
music director. He knows the pulse of his audience.
Yes, and also he's a melody king, no?
Correct,
Okay,
true.
so he what very raw melodies he creates, no?
Very
So
true.
that it is my luck to sing for him. So again and again.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you hear Telugu songs also? Do you do that?
Actually, Telugu movies actually I watch, but very rarely only. But you know, everybody knows that we have a Mallu
Mallu
Arjun.
Arjun,
It's
correct,
not
correct.
yours.
Yeah.
Mallu
Yeah,
Arjun
true.
we have. So I used to watch his movies and all. Happy Days and all. When
Yeah, correct.
Then
The re-release was viral in Kerala. We have seen all the videos.
all the languages we know that Malayalam songs of that also. Alava Kuntapuramlo also. I like that that songs.
Okay.
Taman sir songs and all. Yeah.
Nice. So can you sing, Ala Vaikuntapuramlo one song for us?
Only 2 lines.
Yeah, please.
సామజవర గమన నిన్ను చూసి ఆగగలనా మనసు మీద వయసుకున్న అదుపు చెప్పతగునా సామజవర గమన నిన్ను చూసి ఆగగలనా మనసు మీద వయసుకున్న అదుపు చెప్పతగునా. Is it correct?
Excellent, ma'am. Well sung. I want you to sing so many more songs in Telugu as well. ఇంకా మీకు చాలా ఆఫర్స్ రావాలని మేము కోరుకుంటున్నాము. So what was challenging while you were practicing for Yalalo song? మీరు
Yalalo song.
Yeah, correct.
No doubt it was 2 words which was like haunting me like anything. Kondato and Konoto. Both the lyrics was I was pronounced like Kondato and Kondato Chutterikam Konato.
Okay.
So Shiva Nirmala sir was on call for me to correct the lyrics.
Okay.
So firstly when the song came to know, my friend he called me and told like one song is that you just try whether we'll see if it'll work or not.
Okay.
So that like that way I went to studio for recording. So Shiva sir was there on the call to check the lyrics.
Okay.
GV sir obviously he'll see the musical side of it, and the
100%, yeah.
lyrical side of it was full of Shiva sir only. I was doing by him. So he was narrating all sort of, he was just dictating the words in Telugu. So I was just taking and notating it, like noting it down, like yalalo emundi. I was writing like that. So and finally he after everything release and all, he just called me, Shiva
Okay.
sir, and he told like, firstly when you were dictating, writing down the words, I really thought how this girl is going to sing this, because everything was wrong.
Okay.
What? How every word was actually not pronouncing. I was not pronouncing it correctly,
Okay.
because I was just when he was what dictating the words, I was just writing it down like lalo mundi
Okay.
madalo. So he told no, it's just not mundi yalalo. So
Okay.
everything was okay. Then after all he told okay, then let's see, you just send me 4 lines, then we will
Okay.
look, see. Then after that I sent him the song. So he told, surprisingly you just sing like a Telugu.
Correct.
How when it was dictating, everything was wrong, but when it came to a
Yeah.
song, when I was singing, it came somehow into correctly. I don't know how it came. So while singing we'll just give some
correct.
I don't know.
Now when you're saying us all these things, what I can think of is, now when we actually listen to that and imagine, we don't know background this much has happened, because you made the song look so effortlessly
Yeah.
beautiful.
But I'm so happy that I got only 2 corrections. That was
Okay.
Kondato
That to your debut Telugu song.
Yeah, I got got only 2 corrections. I'm happily saying that.
Okay.
That 2 corrections was kondato, but I sat long for that kondato konato. It was not. I was really stressing it.
Okay.
Kondato.
Mm.
So Shiva sir only corrected it.
Just
through the
singer
phone.
thinks each and every minute detail to get correct.
Yeah, correct word. No, so I was tune and all I learned.
Hmm.
This kondato konato
The
was
pronunciation was a little
Yeah.
difficult.
So Shiva sir gave me a name. He told I'm going to call you KK Sadhika Garu.
Okay.
He's told that he's calling me kondato konaga. Whenever I call him, whenever we talk
Okay.
in phone, he used to tell, hello kondato konato Sadhika.
Now that's become your
That-
name.
My name. So that was fun recording the song.
Okay.
Yeah. So
Now the song is a super duper hit.
yeah.
Now what are you feeling? What is your emotion right now?
I feel so good. This is very good face.
We can see that bright glow on your face.
Yeah. So when people are listening to the music, whenever, because I don't think my song has been this hit.
Okay.
This is the first time. So that is a celebration for me. I'm really celebrating. My parents, my everyone,
Okay.
everyone related to me are celebrating. Yeah.
You have sung a couple of successful songs. మీరు మలయాళంలో కూడా పాడారు, తమిళ్లో కూడా పాడారు, తెలుగులో this is your debut.
Telugu, this is my debut.
Correct.
Yeah.
So next ఇంకా further గా offers వచ్చినప్పుడు, okay, who is the director that you would like to work with in Telugu? Which music director would you like to work with in Telugu?
Many directors are there. No, this is the very toughest question. One, but I love Keeravani sir is Telugu.
Correct.
Right?
Kirani sir is Telugu. Yeah.
Keeravani sir, Taman sir.
Okay.
I have a lot of
Okay. List.
whoever calls me, I'm ready to come.
Okay.
I don't have a particular.
Okay. You're
I
just
love music.
publicly you're telling
Yeah,
that
yeah,
you're
yeah.
ready to sing many
Yeah.
more Telugu songs.
Yeah, actually, when I sang only, I realized it's so beautiful, the languages.
Thanks for saying that.
Really
All
enjoyed
Teluguds
that.
are going to love you for saying that.
Yeah, I
Okay.
really love it because I only know Tamil. I
Mhm.
know to speak a little bit of Tamil.
Okay.
But, because we used to hear Malayalam and Tamil is little bit connect.
Okay.
You know, some connection is there.
Okay.
So that we used to, when I was growing up also, these 2 languages are one left and right for me,
Okay.
because we
Some
grow
of
up
you
like
learned,
that only.
yeah.
No? So that Tamil was my favorite language, but other than that, I did not have so much interest for some other language. But
Okay.
after singing only, I realized it's beautiful.
Now you're going to
Every
love it.
language, Yeah.
So how did you end up becoming a singer? అసలు మీరు సింగర్ అవ్వాలని ఎలా అనుకున్నారు?
Actually, my teacher, I think LKG, UKG teacher was there. So nursery times and all, I used to simply sing. So
Okay.
in my mind, she was the one who told my parents that just take it at some music class. We'll see. So that she was the one who recognized. My parents, my dad and mom, they really love music.
Okay.
And my dad sings also.
Wow, so that's
he
how it's
sings.
come.
Yeah, so that he, not a professional singer.
Mhm.
Also, he did not learn. But
Okay. Generally he likes.
Yeah, he sings also.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, he is a singer, very good
Okay.
singer. But he's not learned. But
Mhm.
somebody, but someone will be born in a way, no. But
Correct.
he's a very good singer. But so he thought that we can teach her music and
Mhm.
all. But after this teacher told only, he started.
Okay.
Okay, then let's see. Then only slowly I started doing so many stage programs and also for channel in Malayalam
Okay.
industry.
We've also seen you went to a singing show in Malayalam.
Yeah,
and you were the runner
reality
up.
show.
Mm.
Yeah, I was there. Slowly I started being in
Correct.
the reality shows of Malayalam. And then I ended up in Star Singer reality. That was my last reality show.
Okay.
And after that, currently I am the jury mentor in
Wow.
Star Singer.
And we have the privilege of taking your interview.
No.
That's lovely.
Not everyone.
Nice.
Yeah.
Who's your favorite singer, ma'am?
Oh my God! Next question. In which industry or whole?
Generally, who's your favorite singer?
I can't say a singer. Can
You
I
can say singers. Yeah, you can say singers.
Okay, obviously my in female, if I'm saying, I just love Sushila Ma.
Okay.
Sushila Ma is my first priority.
Wow.
Also, she's from here only. No,
Yeah,
she's
correct.
from Telugu. Then equally Janaki Amma.
Janaki Amma, yeah.
Ah,
Her
also,
music,
also.
her voice itself is a pleasant thing to
yeah.
listen, correct?
Then Asha Bhosle,
Yeah.
Lata Mangeshkar and all is there.
Hmm.
Chitra aunty.
Chitra Amma garu, yeah.
Yeah.
So
They
all
are
these are your favorite
my
singers.
favorite singers. Currently, Shreya Ghoshal and all is there.
Yeah,
no?
correct.
Okay.
She also has so many successful songs in Telugu. Shreya Ghoshal garu.
Yeah.
Hope you will also get a lot of Telugu songs further.
Thank you so much.
So people talk about usually the remuneration.
Mhm.
They give one remuneration, and then if the song is successful, then they'll give more, is what people usually assume.
Yeah.
Is that true or is it not?
Because if you get fame, then you get demand.
Okay.
That is it. In every field, not only in singing field, but in every field, if you get demand, or if if you compare with the artist, the
Okay.
main role of the in Irumudi itself, Ravi Teja sir and some other people in the
Film, yeah.
film, it is different. So the fame matters. The
Okay.
more we get fame, more we get money.
Okay.
That is-
Fame మీద బేస్ చేసుకొని రెమ్యునరేషన్
Yeah.
వస్తుంది.
yeah, that is true.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you have to sing one more Telugu song for us that you have to dedicate to your fans in Telugu audience,
Oh.
which song would you like to sing?
I love so many Telugu songs, and also I'll sing a song of our own composer Gopi Sundar sir.
Okay.
He is from Kerala, no?
Yeah, correct.
So yeah,
Geeta Govindam.
Geeta Govindam and Vijay Deverakonda and
Correct.
Rashmika Mandana
Yeah.
song is there, which was really on loop. We Keralians was on loop.
Okay.
That song is
Yeah,
2
please.
lines. You
Yeah.
have to correct me if it is wrong. Okay.
I'm sure you will nail it, ma'am. You don't need us for correction.
Okay.
Yeah.
ఇంకేం కావాలే, చాలే ఇది చాలే, నీకై నువ్వే వచ్చి వాలావే, ఇకపై తీరనాలే, గుండెల్లో నా వేగం పెంచావే, గుమ్మంలోకి హోలీ తెచ్చావే, నువ్వు పక్కనుంటే ఇంతనేమోనే, నాకొక్కు గంట ఒక్కు జన్మై మళ్ళీ పుట్టిచ్చేస్తున్నాను, ఇంకేం కావాలే, చాలే ఇది చాలే.
Excellent, ma'am. What a singer.
So
are you?
sorry, my
no,
lyrics
no.
are I don't know.
No.
Please forgive me, okay?
You have done an excellent job, ma'am.
Okay.
So soothing to listen.
Thank you.
Audience are
Thank
going to love you. And
Thank you.
after this interview, I'm sure many singers are going to give you many more offers. And then మీరు వచ్చి interview first నాకే ఇవ్వాలి.
Yeah.
And you are as beautiful as your singing is, and so is your smile. Okay, I'm
Yeah.
sure most of the people must have told you. ఎవరైనా చెప్పారా that your smile is good అని?
Smile is somebody told me what your smiling is innocent. So I told okay.
That's actually, because it actually is.
Okay, I don't know because I told okay. But that's good to hear, no?
Yeah,
Sometimes people
100%.
say simply.
No, not
Nice.
simply, ma'am, because it is, that's why they say it.
Okay.
Yeah, so how was Hyderabad treating you?
Yeah, very good.
Okay, so
I'm
did you
so
like Hyderabadi food?
Hyderabadi biryani I'm just going to take.
Okay.
I've heard of it. I've been to Hyderabad for 3 to 4 times.
Okay.
Actually, this is my 5th time.
Wow.
Yeah, so my first trip to Hyderabad was from school trip.
Okay.
To where? No, this number.
Charminar and all
No.
that?
Yeah, Charminar and this one.
Ramoji Film City.
Ramoji Film City. That
Okay.
was my first trip.
Okay.
Then after the reality show, I've had shows in Hyderabad. So I came. So this is my 4th or 5th time. Yeah.
Okay. Who's your favorite Malayalam male singer?
Malayalam male singer. KJ Yeshudas. Yeshudas sir.
Okay. And how about Telugu favorite male singer?
Telugu favorite
Male singer.
SPB sir, no doubt.
Okay. So 100% without doubt, he's a legend
He's
of
a legend.
music.
Yeah. Because he's
True.
a legend.
Yeah, because he left a legacy of music
Yeah,
for
yeah.
people.
Yeah. he's such a legend, and I'm keeping, we have musicians have some idols, no,
Correct.
in music.
True.
There KJ Yeshudas, in many are there before my generation, but
True.
when we were growing, no,
Yeah.
these people were the best. KJ
True.
Yeshudas, SPB sir, S Janaki ma'am, Sushila amma, and now next generation to Chitra amma neglected. So
Okay.
these are what we learn from them only.
So if somebody comes to you and says, I'm interested in music, నేను music నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను, I'm learning it, what advice will you give them?
Good singing, that is a good question, but I'll just tell them that what all favorite genres you have, because we all will have some special genres,
Correct.
everyone, if you take anyone, if you take Sri Ram or Karthik, or
A genre that they can pull off
yeah,
well.
yeah, some romantic melodies Karthik can
True.
pull off, right?
Yeah.
Some double dhamaka, high pitched voice things
True.
Sri Ram can pull off. Like, so firstly we have to analyze our genre. That is the first thing. Then we have to work on that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
that's it.
singers, they say the voice is very important, and then they do a lot of vocal practice. They take a lot of hot water and all
Yeah.
these things.
First of all, I will say somebody that if to stop mimicking only.
Okay.
Yeah, if what is your voice, trust your voice. And
Okay. Don't try to
develop.
mimic the actual singers.
Yeah, because our voice is
Unique. Yeah.
Yeah. So that the true element of the voice which we have, that we have to develop. No, then only we will come out.
True.
No. That's
So usually people say that you eat ice cream, your voice wouldn't be good and all
Yeah.
these things. So people sacrifice a lot of
Yeah.
these foods.
Yeah,
Do you also do that?
I also do that, but as SPP sir, I have heard Chitranti saying that he used to eat all sort of ice creams before stage. Also, he used to drink
Oh.
cold water.
Okay.
He doesn't have
Any of-
anything, yeah, because that is all. I think it is all a mindset or something. Because so he's already adapted to that one.
True.
So, but we will already close with the scarf when we are going to program dust. I'm a very dust allergic person, so
Okay.
that I have to care more, so that sort of caring are there for me.
So before we close the interview,
Yeah.
one Malayalam song for us, because we Telugu audience love Malayalam songs also. Okay, one Malayalam song for us.
Sure. So you want a new
Anything
recently
works,
one?
ma'am.
Okay, fine. So I'll sing Ambali movie song.
Yeah, ma'am.
It is quite famous in Telugu also, I think.
Correct.
I guess. Okay. എന്റെ നെഞ്ചാകെ നീയല്ലേ, എന്റെ ഉന്മാദം നീയല്ലേ, നിന്നെ അറിയാൻ ഉള്ളു നിറയാൻ ഒഴുകി ഒഴുകി ഞാൻ ഇന്നും ഇന്നും ഒരു പുഴയായി ആരാധിക്കേ മഞ്ഞുതിരും വഴിയരികെ നാളേറെയായി കാത്തുനിന്നു നിറയെ.
Excellent. What a fab singer are you, ma'am? You're covering basically all languages: Telugu, Kannada. Kannada, I think you didn't yet, right?
And then I have sang in G.V. Prakas's dub version in Kannada,
Okay.
not original.
Okay. Basically, you're covering all South Indian languages. Okay, very shortly, I hope you'll also become a pan-India singer.
Oh no!
So, in any
It's
tune,
very good to hear all those.
one Tamil song for us.
வசீகரா என் நெஞ்சினிக்க உன் பொன்மடியில் தூங்கினால் போதுமதே கணம் என் கண்ணுறங்க முன் ஜன்மங்களில் ஏக்கங்கள் தீரும் நான் நேசிப்பதும் சுவாசிப்பதும் உந்தயவால் தானே ஏங்கு இரு தேங்கு இரு உன் நினைவால் நானே நான்.
any language that I tell you, you are nailing each and every song that you're singing, ma'am.
Thank you
It is
so much.
so good, and it's my pleasure to have you on the show today.
Thank you so much, and
Uh,
it was very good. Okay, you are very, very, very so charming.
Thank you, ma'am. I want my cameramen to just on loop play this. This is to editors.
Okay, we can cut for this. for
Yeah,
promo.
correct. I'll tell them, please cut this one for promo. Thank you so much,
So
ma'am.
nice.
If you would like to say something to Telugu audience right
yeah,
now,
that I was coming to that.
yeah, what would you like to
And
tell them?
Thank you so much for what the response of Irmudi is really, really, really. It's now also it is running very successfully. It is a blockbuster, and what more? And I'm one of a small part of it. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, GV Prakash sir, for what including me in this, and also Shiva sir, and also my friends for giving me this wonderful opportunity. And I'm so thankful to you all that, and also I'm so happy to hear that everyone are very happy for
Correct.
Yalalo, no?
Everyone's loving it, ma'am.
You're loving it.
On
and-
loop, people are listening.
Yeah, on loop. Everyone are listening. I'm so happy, and keep supporting me. And thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. It was
Yeah.
pleasure having you, in the interview today. And I really hope that may you continue to sing many more blockbuster songs in Telugu and contribute so
Thank
much.
you.
It is lovely having you and wishing you good luck with your career, ma'am.
Thank you so much, dear.
సో దాట్స్ ఫర్ టుడే. మన సింగర్ సాధికా గారు మరెన్నో ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ రావాలి, ఆవిడ ఇంకా సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా ఇంకెంతో కాంట్రిబ్యూట్ చేయాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటూ మరిన్ని ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ కోసం ప్లీజ్ డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ ఏవా మీడియా.